All eyes on the cinnamon rolls. These edible eyeballs are creepy and cute and mini, and it's time to make them because I'm running out of eyeball jokes. I'm out.
I know. I wondered what was coming up next.
Heidi VanValkenburg says they will fit any Halloween party spread. These are creepy cute.
Oh, you know, the thing that I love about them, this is portion control, right? Because they're just half of one of our cinnamon rolls. And so it's as simple. You could use the anytime if you want. You can just pull them out and do it. I like to do them with our traditional ones, the ones that you let rise and then bake.
The Rhodes traditional.
Rhodes traditional cinnamon rolls. I always call them that. And so you just spray your muffin tin, and what you're going to do, it's as simple as taking one of these. You want to thaw them out, but you don't want to let them go so long that they're really warm. So I want them cold to touch.
Okay.
And just enough that I can take my knife and I can cut it directly in half. And then all you're going to do is you're going to take the ends of it and you're just going to push that together.
Oh, look at that.
And you've got a mini cinnamon roll.
What a good option.
So, you know, you could do this without the eyeballs on top on other occasions if you don't want to.
But come on.
I know, it's fun. And that's all there is to it. And then I'm going to cover that and I'm going to let it rise for 30 minutes, no longer than that. So it's not going to go double in size like we traditionally do.
So the size of the muffin tin doesn't matter. I can do minis even though I don't have a mini tin.
Yes, for sure.
Okay, good.
For sure. And then put those down there 30 minutes, and then I'm going to bake them at 350, and they take about 15 to 17 minutes to bake.
They come out like this.
That's the next stage. They're going to come out just like that. So we're going to take these. Here's a knife for you.
Thank you. Here's a knife for you.
Thank you. I was like, where did mine go?
Crisscross applesauce.
Okay, there you go.
Yeah.
And you frost. We're just going to frost these.
And this is cream cheese frosting?
This comes with the cinnamon rolls.
Oh, okay, that's right.
In a little packet.
It's been a minute
it
since
comes
I've
out
made
just
this.
like this.
Perfect.
Okay, and we're just going to frost them. And then the eyeball that's going to go in the middle is going to be these little mini Oreos. And what the funny thing about that is, do you buy mini Oreos? I mean, I buy the big size, and I even buy the double stuff because they're stuffed as much as they used to be back in the day.
Usually my style, right.
Okay, but then what we're gonna do is, you can find them like on the snack aisle for kids.
Yeah, they're in the resealable pouch.
Yes, take it apart, and you have enough for both of us. So put one on there and one on there. And it's gonna be in the center, and that's
I was
gonna
gonna
be,
eat the other half, but I guess I'll share.
well, there's a whole bowl.
Thank you.
After we can talk later. Okay. And then, as you can see, we've done this in stages. So you do this little green. I was telling you, I'm having a hard time getting this out. So
and I offered to use my she-woman strength.
Okay,
look at that.
Okay, you're right.
You just need a little bit of aggression,
I'm
Heidi.
sorry, I needed more aggression. Yeah. And then you're just going to put that right around the outside of it. And then with the red, what you're going to do is you're going to just, that's how you're going to make the veins for it.
I know, I was questioning the green, but next to the red, it does pop.
Right? And then you can just decorate those for your eyeballs. If you want to set these out, don't cover them or else the Oreo in the middle will go soft.
Wait,
so
say
just
that again? If you...
Well, you know, if you make a tray of them, don't cover it with something because the eyeballs in the middle, the Oreo will go really soft.
Oh, got it. And we want the crunch.
Yeah, you kind of want the crunch in there. And that's as simple as it is. We have this on our Instagram, and we also have it on our Facebook that you can watch this and some other. Do you want to do your own veins?
I sure do.
Okay, I
How
thought maybe that would
are we?
I don't know.
We actually have a cute little saying at our house. So when our last baby was born, the big question was what color are the eyes, right? Because Mark and Boston have brown eyes, and everyone else has blue eyes. So Penny's born. This is the topic of conversation in my house.
Okay, I love it. I love it.
Penny's born, and Emmy, in her high-pitched baby voice, totally mimicking and ultimately mocking me, says to her, "Are you a blueberry or a brownie?" So now we call eyes blueberries and brownies around our house. So this is a brownie. This is a brownie eye.
There you go. This is a brownie eye.
A bloodshot brownie eye.
It's so fun. I love that. You are really good at that.
Well,
you are much better than me. But anyway, so we have this, and we have lots of Halloween fun ideas that you can do on rhodesbread.com. And so Rhodes Bake and Serve, sorry. Yeah. My email is rhodesbread.com.
Rhodesbakeandserve.com.
Yes.
I think people are surprised too when they go to the website, the YouTube. You have so many fun ideas that we can do with this basic freezer staple.
Yeah. So it's really easy. So just go there and watch it on Instagram, Facebook, and go to our website.
We'll do it, Heidi.
And
Thank you
keep an
so
eye
much.
on us. Keep an eye on us.
There you go. Okay. Just when I thought the well was dry, the eyes were dry. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. Heidi wins. She takes the cupcake. She takes the cinnamon roll. Thanks, Heidi. Good job.
You're welcome.